Video camera.
Come on over here and give Daddy a hug.
I think I figured out the video camera.
Are you the grand champion? Oh, you're the grand champion of Break the Ice. Yes.
Show us your hitting power. If anything, Shannon knows the best. It's distraction. Uh-oh. What happened? Tell Daddy, put all the pieces back, Daddy. Put all the pieces back, Daddy. Uh-oh.
You picking them up?
Oh, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, boy. Look at you, big girl.
Not only can she break the ice, she can pick it up too.
Okay, Shannon, what sound does a fishy make? What sound does a ducky make? What's a ducky say? What's that sound does a ducky say?
It doesn't know.
She does too. Shannon, what's a ducky say? Yeah! Don't hit. What sound does a kitty cat make? What sound does a cow make? What sound does a lion make? What sound does a froggy make? Ribbit, ribbit. What else do we know? McKenna, what sound does an elephant make?
What sound does a bee make?
What sound does a bee make?
Yes, that's what they make.
Let's see if that worked. Oh no, I think it's just started now. Shannon, what sound does a cow make? What sound does a cow make? What sound does a fishy make? What sound does a kitty cat make?
Mama.
What sound does a kitty cat make? What's that the kitty cat say?
Maybe wants to watch the camera moving around back and forth.
I'm keeping it very steady.
Yeah.
Shannon, what sound does a kitty cat make? What sound does a ducky make? Quack, quack. What sound does a lion make? That's good, girl. Look at you cleaning up all by yourself.
Now you can't see it.
Shannon, who do you love? Who do you love? Say mama.
Yay!
What? Say mama.
No, you must love Daddy, huh?
Say, who do you love? Say
Is it
mama.
Oh.
You stinker.
Yep.
You stinker winker. Okay, McKenna. Who does McKenna love? Who does McKenna love?
Oh. Give me a kiss. Oh. Yeah.
Give Daddy a kiss. Give Daddy a kiss. Oh. That's good. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Can you wave? Wave bye-bye. Shannon, wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Well, let's see what it...
Ow. Those are my feet.
Those are your feet?